Don't you just love Microsoft Teams? Don't answer that. I'll tell you what you probably don't love is when people come to you with the same question every day over and over again. Maybe you're the person in your company that knows stuff really well, or you're an expert on the product or some kind of topic. So everyone knows to come to you when they need an answer, right? Wouldn't it be great if you could automate those answers? And I'm not talking about creating a bot that pretends to be you. No, I'm talking about setting up an LLM that's going to give your teammates answers quickly using sources that you trust so you don't have to get distracted. We're going to show you how to do that in 2 minutes with OneUp. Really simple. If you don't have a OneUp account, hit the free trial button. You'll be up and running in seconds. And if you do, head to your knowledge base and import the content that you want OneUp to use to generate answers. So different teams, that can mean different things. You could have sales and marketing material, security content, maybe some stuff about your data policies and your products, basically anything that you want to be used to generate answers in Microsoft Teams. I'm actually going to show you how to do that differently based on who's asking. So once that's done, head to Ask OneUp and hit the Teams button here. That's going to take you to Microsoft Teams App Store where you can connect the app, and this is what it looks like when you're set up. So once you have Teams plugged into your, once you have OneUp plugs into your team channel, basically you can ask OneUp anything. So if you have a teammate who's got a question about a product or maybe a security question, tell them to ask OneUp. They're going to get a response right away. So you can see this response came here from our sources in our knowledge base. The best part is OneUp isn't allowed to use anything that's not in the knowledge base. It's really strict. So you don't have to worry about hallucinations. You don't have to worry about, weird, inaccurate responses. And if you do get an answer that you don't like, or maybe you just want to make it better, you can actually improve it. So click improve this answer. That takes you back to OneUp, where you can actually teach OneUp the preferred response and get it to remember your preferred phrasing for all similar answers down the road. So what's really great about this is not only can you teach OneUp new things, you can actually limit how it responds depending on the who's asking, right? The channel that's being asked, the team that's talking to you. If you have teams set up, like, most companies, you've got like an HR channel, maybe you've got the marketing team, the sales team. Different people want different answers with different material, right? So head to OneUp and go to your settings page, go to Microsoft Teams, and you can actually tell OneUp which sources you want used for which channel. So in this case, I've got my general channel, and I'm going to allow OneUp to use everything. But if I wanted to change that and maybe say create a security channel where only InfoSec content is used, I could do that too. So this gives me complete control over how OneUp responds, what it's using to respond, and who's going to get access to that information. So if this feels like you, if you're constantly in Teams all day, every day, feeling the pain, getting asked questions over and over again, you want to automate them with AI, hit that free trial button. You'll be up and running in 2 minutes, and you'll never have to answer the same question twice.